Namaste, welcome to Sisrekha's kitchen. Today I am making Krishnashtami special kheer with poha. It's a very quick and easy snack recipe that you can make not only for Krishnashtami, you can make it at any time. For this recipe, we need thick poha. Poha comes in two different kinds, thick and thin. The thin poha is used to make chivda. The thick poha is used to make kheer. So I took half a cup of thick poha, rinsed it a couple of times and drained the water. In a thick bottom vessel, I took 2 tablespoons of ghee and heated on medium heat. Fry a few cashews in the ghee. Add the raisins also and fry them together. You can use black raisins or golden raisins. Here I am using black raisins. When they are fried well, transfer them into a bowl. To the remaining ghee, add the washed poha. Fry the poha in the ghee for a couple of minutes. You can add 1 more teaspoon of ghee if you need. After frying the poha for a couple of minutes, add 2 cups of whole milk. Here I am not adding any water. I will just let it cook in the milk. Stir it in between. Cook the poha in the milk for a few minutes in the low flame until it reduces the quantity. The poha is cooked when you can press in between your fingers. Add the freshly ground cardamom powder and mix it once. Turn off the stove and add 1/4 cup of jaggery and mix it well. Here I am using only 2 tablespoons of jaggery, but for this quantity you will need 1/4 cup of jaggery. If you want more, you can add. It came out into a very good consistency. Go ahead and add the cashews and raisins. Krishnashtami or Janmasthami special prasadam Poha Kheer or Atkula Payasam is ready. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more future videos. Please don't forget to like my Facebook page and visit my Telugu channel.